The e-commerce market is worth $6.9 trillion globally, and it is just going to keep increasing. In today's video, we will explore how to earn money online through the use of AI art generators. It's an excellent side hustle due to its initial low cost, and you can completely do it all on your own. I will guide you on using these AI art generators to generate income effortlessly, particularly on platforms like Etsy. Etsy alone has more than 90 million active buyers as of 2023, and around 500 million people visit Etsy every month, which means that the potential for success is significant if you put in consistent efforts. Before we get started on the actual steps, I want you to just take a quick look at the revenue generated by different stores under wall art. Some stores have been around for some time, but some just started recently in 2023 and are already generating more than $50,000 in sales. Watch till the end of the video because I am going to show you how you can also make your digital art more interesting, such as this listing, which has generated more than $16,000 in less than a few months. So, let's dive in and I'll guide you through 5 simple steps on how to utilize AI art generators to earn money online, including some unique strategies and tips. First, go to Etsy and Pinterest to get some inspiration about different types of wall art. There are many types of wall art such as vintage, landscapes, animals, flowers, and so on. You can get some inspiration to narrow down to your specific interest. It is always good to focus on something that brings you joy and something that you would have fun doing. Second step, go to ChatGPT and do some research on types of wall art that you have been inspired from Etsy and Pinterest. For this video, I have chosen botany and flowers. This store, for example, has a lot of different types of wall prints showcasing flowers, botany, and so on. They have a monthly revenue of more than $7,000 and they just started their store in February 2023. Look at all the sales generated by different listings under their store. Keep watching because, as promised, I am going to show you a special listing related to flowers that will make your digital art more interesting. Third step is to generate high-resolution AI wall art. There are plenty of options for this, from free tools to paid tools such as Playground AI, Leonardo AI, Crayon, and Midjourney AI. I am going to use Midjourney AI for this video. Sign into midjourney.com and choose the Imagine prompt. Enter your prompt and watch the results appear. I am going to show you another example using a different prompt so that you can see a different type of flower wall art as well. Choose the image that you like and download it. Next step is to remove the background and upscale the image. To remove the background, you can use Photoshop or other free tools such as Photo Room that you can find online. Once that is done, let's proceed to upscale the image, which is to make it better for printing without compromising on the quality. For this video, I am focusing on aspect ratio 4:5 and 16 by 20 inches measurement for my digital wall art. I am using Photopea to do the upscaling. Now, click on New Project. Change the DPI to 300 and also change the measurements to 16 by 20 inches. Then, press Create. Now, drag and drop the flower image that you want to upscale and adjust the sizing by stretching the image while simultaneously pressing the alternate command on your keyboard. The reason for doing this is so that your image will remain in the center while you size it to what you require. Once all that is done, click on Image on the top and choose Image Size. Check that the DPI is correct. Go to File and Export as JPEG. Ensure that the quality is 100% and sizing is correct. Thereafter, click on Save. That's it, upscaling is done. Sizing and upscaling are an important aspect of selling digital art. You can take a look at your competitors' listings to see what options they offer. As you can see, it is important to offer different size options. You can also follow this guide that you see on the screen. I will also cover more sizing options in my future videos. Now, log in to Etsy and click on Shop Manager to create your listing. Add photos of your images, type in your listing title and choose the category of digital prints. You can also add in all the other information if you feel it's relevant to your art. It is also important to write a good description that describes your digital art accurately. You should also mention the sizing that is offered. Don't forget to also add tags that are relevant to your digital art. Tags are basically words that customers would use to search for a product like yours. Lastly, enter the price and quantity information before finalizing on your listing. Now you have your first listing all ready to create passive income for you. Etsy, like many other online marketplaces, uses an algorithm to determine which products to show in the search results. Keywords in your listing title help the search algorithm understand what you are selling, hence matching your products with the search queries of potential buyers. By using relevant keywords, you increase the likelihood that your listings will appear in search results when buyers look for products like yours. Before this video ends, as promised, I am going to show you this unique digital art listing that gives an edge to your digital flowers art print, and that is customized digital birth flowers art such as these. This particular store started in 2023 and focused on selling digital art. Their bestseller is a custom birth flower family bouquet, and in just 12 months, this particular item has generated more than $70,000. So, to identify the corresponding birth flowers for each month, you can ask ChatGPT. Once that is done, head over to Midjourney and write the relevant prompt for the birth month. For example, the birth flower for September is Aster, and Midjourney will create the image for you using your prompt. By using the same prompt format and just changing the name of the flower, you can create the flowers for the rest of the months. Now, using the rose flower for June and Aster flower for September, I am going to create a customized digital wall art using the steps I showed you earlier. The sizing will be 16 by 20 inches too. I have adjusted the position of the flowers, added Mom's Garden as the title as well as the names that will be sent by the customers. Look at the final result. How amazing is that? Now let's create a mock-up for our birth flowers art. Download a poster mock-up from various sites such as freepik.com or rawpixel.com. Then, open the mock-up in Photopea. Select the poster image layer on the right, drag and drop your birth flower art and adjust the sizing accordingly. Once that is done, select the mask and copy to the layer that you just adjusted. Then, go back to the layer that has the original frame and reduce the opacity to 0. After, select the layer that has your adjusted wall art and set the opacity to 90%. Once it's completed, click on File, Export as JPEG file and reduce the width to 1080 pixels, and the height will be automatically adjusted. Make sure the quality is 100% and click on Save. That's it. This helps in creating a realistic frame which would be excellent for your Etsy listing. Some of you might think that since others have already started selling birth flowers digital art, it will not be possible to succeed if you do the same. Just remember that people have different artistic taste, and it all depends on how attractive your digital art is. Nothing is impossible with AI, consistent efforts, and the drive to succeed. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and see you soon in our next video.